When it comes to enhancing your home's value, few upgrades make as significant an impact as professional door replacement. For homeowners in Meridian, replacing outdated, damaged, or inefficient doors is a simple yet effective way to boost curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase security. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enhance its functionality and aesthetics, professional door replacement is an investment worth considering. Here's how professional door replacement can elevate your Meridian property's value. Enhance curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice about your home. A stylish, well-maintained door creates a positive first impression and sets the tone for the rest of the property. Modern designs. Professional door replacement services offer a wide variety of styles, colors, and finishes to match your home's architecture. Custom features. Add decorative glass panels, side lights, or transoms to make your entryway stand out. Increased buyer interest. An attractive exterior can make your property more appealing to buyers, potentially increasing its market value. Improve energy efficiency. The Meridian's climate, with its hot summers and cool winters, demands energy-efficient home solutions. Replacing old, drafty doors with modern, insulated options can significantly reduce energy loss and lower utility bills. Insulated doors. Energy-efficient doors are designed with materials that prevent heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Weather stripping. Professional installation ensures proper sealing, eliminating drafts and air leaks. Energy savings. Lower energy consumption translates to reduced utility bills and a greener home, which is a desirable feature for eco-conscious buyers. Increase security. Outdated doors with worn locks or weak materials can compromise your home's security. A professionally installed replacement door provides peace of mind and enhances safety for your family. Advanced locking mechanisms. Modern doors often come with multi-point locking systems for added security. Durable materials. Steel, fiberglass, and solid wood doors are designed to withstand force and resist break-ins. Reinforced frames. Professional installers ensure your door frame is sturdy and secure, further enhancing protection. Boost home value. Investing in a professional door replacement project can yield a high return on investment, ROI. According to real estate experts, replacing your front door is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase home value. ROI potential. Many homeowners recoup a significant portion of their investment when selling their property. Added market appeal. Energy-efficient and aesthetically pleasing doors are key selling points that can set your home apart in Meridian's competitive real estate market. Enhance functionality and durability. The older doors may stick, creak, or fail to close properly, leading to frustration and potential repair costs. Replacing them with new, professionally installed doors ensures smooth operation and long-lasting performance. Low maintenance. Modern doors require less upkeep, thanks to weather-resistant finishes and durable materials. Smooth operation. Professional installation guarantees that doors open and close effortlessly, with proper alignment and sealing. Long-term durability. High-quality replacement doors are built to withstand Meridian's weather conditions, offering reliable performance for years. Customized to suit your style. One of the biggest advantages of professional door replacement is the ability to customize your new door to suit your personal taste and your home's design. Color and finish options. Choose from a variety of shades, wood grains, and finishes to match your exterior and interior decor. Decorative glass. Incorporate frosted, stained, or etched glass for a unique touch. Hardware selection. Select stylish handles, hinges, and locks to complete the look. Professional installation for maximum impact. While DIY projects can be tempting, professional door replacement ensures the job is done right the first time. Experienced installers guarantee. Precision fit. Proper measurements and installation techniques ensure your door fits securely and functions perfectly. Warranty protection. Many manufacturers' warranties require professional installation to remain valid. Time savings. Professionals complete the job efficiently, saving you time and minimizing disruptions. Conclusion. Professional door replacement is a smart investment for Meridian homeowners looking to enhance their property's value, comfort, and functionality. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to increasing security and durability, high-quality doors offer numerous benefits that make your home more enjoyable and marketable. If you're ready to upgrade your doors, consult a trusted local provider in Meridian. With expert advice, customizable options, and professional installation, you can transform your home's look and performance, making it a valuable asset for years to come.